A warm and heartiest welcome to all the lovers, viewers, and supporters of Acer Fans Club, where we make space for everyone. So, welcome to this World Space Week 2020 closing ceremony of Match by Team IFC. During this span of 1 week, Team IFC has done a lot of things, a lot of activities. Team IFC has organized a lot of events, which are very much liked by all the space enthusiasts from all over India. You all know that Team IFC is a newly formed team, but still I would like to say that Team IFC has sparked success in its endeavor with flying colors during the Space Week. So today is actually a day of sadness for all the space enthusiasts as they have indulged their minds in different activities and events during this 1 week span. So getting a rest from all these activities is really a breathtaking event for all space geeks. So nothing to do as Space Week has come to an end, so we have to uh, suppress all our feelings for space and we have to close this ceremony. So during this Space Week, Team IFC has organized different space talks, different competitions, different events, and Team IFC has also been held by different institutions like Wings of Aero and SAT as we all know that. So, and it has been also supported by many personified stalwarts like Padma Kishan sir, Captain Umang Jani sir, and Mr. Nara Prasad sir. So, combiningly, this whole package, this whole Space Week package from Team IFC has proved to be a great success, a huge success. So I want to, and as an acknowledgement, I would like to thank to our founder and co-founder for making me a part of this Team IFC family. Because if I wouldn't have been a part of this IFC family, then I would have surely missed the taste of space. So thank you for making me a part, and thank you Team IFC for making this program a huge success. The Space Week a huge success. So now I would like, there's a short video we have made for talking as a token of appreciation for appreciating all our volunteers who work day and night behind actually leveling up the name of Team IFC, and also to all the speakers who came, who spared the part of the valuable time behind our webinar, and to also the winners of the competitions who have given their best and who have won the steppings of Team IFC, the first, second, and the third winners. So there's a short video on this whole explanation, and I would request to show this video. So I would like to hand over the session to our COO, Chief Operation Officer, Mr. Shashank G, for telling something about the session, about the events and all for this week.
Yeah, so thank you, Vaibhav, for an amazing introduction. So we had connected the Space Week with a great success, if I want to say. We got many participants in the space talks, and there were lots of competitors participated in essay competition, poster competition, and other too, like PPT presentation competition and all. Overall, it was a huge success, and I would also like to thank the SAT Search co-founder of SatSearch.co, Dr. Narayan Prasad, Dr. Ponma Kishan sir from Wings of Aero, and even Captain Umangen Chani sir from SVIT Vasad, who is a commander, and yeah, it was a huge success. So also we got many participants in the competitions, and we declared some of them as the winners. And we have made a short video for that. Before playing that video, I would like to thank the World Space Week organization who had supported us to connect this organization, and also our team who took a great risk in a great risk in taking up this task. So I would like to show you a small video of the winners. Those who have not won, I would like to request not to feel bad. You will get a participation certificate, and the failure is a stepping stone for yourself. So please don't feel bad. Participate in the future competitions that we are going to conduct.
Thank you so much, Shashank. Thank you so much. So it was a wonderful explanation by Shashank, our Chief Operations Officer. And now I would like to hand over this session to our CEO, Mr. Umang Sudani, for giving the vote of thanks and also for appreciating the winners and all the participants who participated in this space week.
Yeah. Thank you very much to giving me this opportunity to give the vote of thanks. So first of all, I thank you to all the participants who are take part in our activity. Like it may be space talks, it may be competition, right? So without your support and help, we can't we can't end this space week with very successful. We got the amazing responses from your side. Like many people are reach out us in during this space week and take participate in the very different activity. And we also choose the some participants as the top three participants. But don't feel bad other participants, because we also provide the certificates to the each and every participant who take part in our competition. And your certificates is also be sent very soon with your email ID. So I heartily welcome to each and every participants to join us. And if you have any queries, then you can also contact us. And yeah, at the last, we are very sorry for there are some connection issues in between some space talk. If I talk about the Umang Jani sir, then we have some connection issues, right? So we apologize. I apologize, and my team also apologize for this action. And sometimes we also delayed our session by 30 minutes. But yeah, we are in the learning phase. We are learning something from this space week, and we are continuously implement those things. We are who are made the mistake in particular activities. And in the future, we are also implement those things. And your suggestion is also be implement in our other activity. So why we are starting the ISRO fans club? So first of all, our aim is to provide the space education to the each and every student, because during this space week we made the many of students who are very interested in the space technology or space science, but they are not found as such type of organization. And if they found, then its cost is very high. Means they provide the courses based on the rockets, based on the satellites, or any other, means astrophotography, yeah, astronomy, but its cost is very high. So we take the initiative, and we provide the space education to each and every students of the India. We focus first of all India students, and after that we will go forward in the outer side of the country. Right. So our first aim is to provide the space education. That's why we started our on website. In that we will upload the daily blogs, and maybe in week we uploaded the 3 blogs, which is the very informative, and many peoples are read our blogs, because we are in the learning phase. We started this club in before the 2 months, and after starting this club in the 2 months we got the 10,000 reach out in our website. So without your support we can't achieve that types of success. And this that type of success is very big for us, because we all are, the student, right? Because in my team there are the many student many many team members are from the school, and many team members from the college, right? So we are the combination of the both school students and college students. So I heartily thankful my team also, because they doing the hard work day and night. And then this space week is handled very smoothly, because each and every participate, each and every competition, we have to manage all these things, and without my team I can't do anything, right? Because this is the 7 days program, at 7 days competition, or 7 days space week, and we have to manage all these things, and without my team member I can't do anything. So I very heartily thankful to my team to giving me the support for this doing such types of activity. And because during this space week we meet many peoples and many students who are really interested in a space. So we have provided the space education by many methods, like we started our website. In that you can find the amazing blog regarding the ISRO or anything else, like astronomical units, right? So you can also reach out that. And in the future, means only 1 or 2 months, we started the course regarding the rocket science, regarding the astronomy. But yeah, we are developing such types of platform. It's very easily accessible to the each and every students, which is studied in the school. And we also planning to give the education to the university level student. So our main target is to give the space education, because if you develop the space ecosystem in the India, right? So we have to reach out first by the education. Otherwise, we can't develop the space ecosystem. So that's why our try is to give the space education at the minimum cost, right? Because you find the many organizations, they charge very high, and many people are not affordable that types of course. So our main try is to provide the space education with the minimum cost. This is our mission and vision also. And yeah, we also during this space week we faced the many problems, and we learned something from that, right? And I heartily thankful to each and every speakers who give the valuable time for us, and inspired the students. I heartily thankful to the Ponma Kishan sir. I heartily thankful to the Captain Umang Jani sir, and NP Prasad sir. His talk is very amazing. Many students give the responses, give the feedback for them, and the feedback is also very good. So thank you very much, and I am heartily welcome to each and every participants to take part in the another Space Week after the 1 year. It is the Space Week 2021. So our team IFC also trying to manage all these things for the Space Week 2021. So please join us. And if you have any queries, if you have any suggestion for us, then you can also reach out to our mails or our social media handles. We will surely reply to you. Thank you very much. We will meet soon. Thank you. So I hand over this session to the Vaibhav, and
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Umang Sudani. It was a wonderful explanation, and indeed, that learning never ends. It's not that learning ever ends. Till the time we leave, learning will go on till the time of our death. So learning never ends. Thank you. It was a short and sweet explanation by our CEO, Mr. Umang Sudani. Guys, ending this session, I would like to tell you one thing, that this is just the beginning of Team IFC, and just wait and watch that what Team IFC brings for its supporters, for its viewers and lovers of Team IFC. So just wait and watch. Team IFC was there for space enthusiasts. Team IFC is there for space enthusiasts. Team IFC will be there in the future for space enthusiasts. Thank you all.